Tired of cluttered rooms, messy closets, and no storage space? These Amazon organization finds are simple solutions that help you save space, reduce mess, and keep everything perfectly organized. Let's get started. Number 1, MSHOMELY Underwear Drawer Organizer. This is a smart drawer organizer designed to neatly store underwear, socks, and small clothing items in separate sections. It helps you sort everything properly so you can find items quickly. It saves drawer space, reduces clutter, keeps things organized, and solves the problem of messy and unarranged drawers. Number 2, LINZINAR 3-Bag Laundry Basket. This is a multi-section laundry basket designed to separate clothes by color or type while storing dirty laundry. It comes with 3 removable bags for easier organization. It saves time during laundry sorting, keeps clothes organized, reduces clutter, and solves the problem of mixing different laundry items together. Number 3, ZenStorage 6-pack sheet organizers and storage. This is a smart storage solution designed to neatly organize bed sheets, pillowcases, and bedding sets inside your closet. It keeps linens folded, protected, and easy to identify with labeled storage compartments. It saves closet space, improves home organization, reduces clutter, keeps bedding neatly arranged, and solves the problem of messy and hard-to-find sheet storage. Number 4, Jumudrin 2 Pack Under Bed Storage. This is a large storage solution designed to use the empty space under your bed for organizing clothes, shoes, blankets, and other items. It comes with easy slide access and spacious compartments. It saves space, reduces room clutter, keeps items protected from dust, and solves the problem of limited storage space in bedrooms and closets. Number 5, HomePekite 2-Pack Laundry Pods Container. This is a storage container set designed to neatly store laundry pods and detergent supplies. It keeps pods organized, protected from moisture, and easy to access. It improves laundry room organization, reduces clutter, saves space, and solves the problem of messy detergent storage and scattered laundry supplies. Number 6, Lifewit 6-Pack Clothes Storage. This is a set of storage bags designed to organize clothes, blankets, and seasonal items neatly. They help protect items from dust and keep closets tidy. It saves storage space, improves organization, keeps clothes protected, and solves the problem of cluttered closets and overflowing storage areas. Number 7, QIVOMIX Shoe Cabinet. This is a modern shoe storage cabinet designed to organize and store multiple pairs of shoes neatly in one place. It keeps shoes hidden, dust-free, and easy to access. It saves floor space, improves home organization, keeps entryways clean, and solves the problem of scattered shoes and messy storage areas. Number 8, Suoxing 3-Pack Bathroom Organizers. This is a set of bathroom organizers designed to store toiletries and essentials neatly. It saves space, reduces clutter, and keeps items easy to find. Number 9, YASONIC Metal 3-Tier Rolling Cart. This is a portable storage cart with 3 tiers designed for organizing household items, kitchen supplies, or bathroom essentials. It has wheels for easy movement. It saves space, improves organization, keeps items accessible, and solves the problem of cluttered storage and lack of mobility in organizing items. Number 10, Amllas 10-Pack Shoe Boxes. This is a set of clear storage boxes designed to neatly organize and store shoes. The transparent design makes it easy to see each pair without opening the box. It saves space, protects shoes from dust, improves organization, and solves the problem of messy shoe piles and difficult shoe storages. Number 11, Univivi Over-the-Door Organizer. This is a space-saving storage organizer that hangs over the door to store clothes, accessories, or household items. It adds extra storage without taking floor or shelf space. It helps reduce clutter, improves organization, saves space, and solves the problem of limited storage in small rooms or closets. Number 12, Vtopmart 4-Pack Clear Storage Drawers. This is a set of clear storage drawers designed to organize makeup, bathroom supplies, kitchen items, and other small essentials neatly. The transparent design makes everything easy to see and access. It saves space, reduces clutter, improves organization, and solves the problem of messy and hard-to-find small items. Number 13. FGNTWP, Rolling Laundry Hamper. This is a large rolling laundry hamper designed to store and transport clothes easily. It comes with wheels for smooth movement and a spacious design for heavy laundry loads. It helps keep clothes organized, reduces carrying effort, saves time on laundry day, and solves the problem of moving heavy laundry baskets around the house. Number 14. Laiensia, Double Rods Garment Rack. This is a freestanding clothing rack with double hanging rods designed to organize clothes neatly. It provides extra hanging space for shirts, jackets, and outfits. It saves closet space, keeps clothes wrinkle-free, improves organization, and solves the problem of overcrowded closets and limited hanging storage. Number 15. DIMJ, Wardrobe Clothes Organizer for Closet. This is a closet organizer designed to neatly store folded clothes, jeans, and other wardrobe items. It helps separate clothing into sections for easier access and better organization. It saves space, reduces closet clutter, keeps clothes easy to find, and solves the problem of messy and unorganized wardrobes. Number 16. ZEDODIER, Purse Hanger Organizer. This is a hanging storage organizer designed to neatly store purses, handbags, and accessories in the closet. It keeps bags visible, protected, and easy to access. It saves closet space, reduces clutter, keeps bags in good shape, and solves the problem of piled up or hard to store handbags. Number 17. HYSEYY Double Rods Clothes Rack. This is a heavy-duty clothing rack with double hanging rods designed to organize clothes neatly and maximize storage space. It provides extra room for hanging outfits, jackets, and garments. It saves closet space, keeps clothes wrinkle-free, improves organization, and solves the problem of overcrowded wardrobes and limited hanging storage. Number 18. Lumigens Space-Saving Hanging Closet Organizer. This is a hanging closet organizer designed to create extra storage space for clothes, shoes, and accessories. It fits easily inside closets and keeps items neatly arranged. It saves space, reduces clutter, improves organization, and solves the problem of overcrowded and messy closets. Number 19. Issudata Storage Baskets. These are stylish storage baskets designed to organize clothes, toys, towels, and household items neatly. They help keep spaces clean while adding a modern look to your home. They save space, reduce clutter, improve organization, and solve the problem of messy and scattered household items. Number 20. UIFER 2. Pack Adhesive Shower Caddy. This is a wall-mounted bathroom storage solution designed to hold shampoo, soap, and shower essentials without drilling. It uses strong adhesive for easy installation and secure support. It saves bathroom space, keeps shower items organized, reduces clutter, and solves the problem of messy bathroom storage and limited shelf space. If you enjoyed these Amazon organization finds, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing products like this.